Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a video that I have not done in so long, and it is an empties video. I love these videos. I love these videos more than favorites videos for the sheer fact of like, you've used up the whole product and are you going to repurchase it? If you purchase something, you're just trying it out. If you repurchase it, you love it, you swear by it, and I feel like you just get a good idea and good product recommendations. And it's how I like gauge how I can like not gauge someone's opinion, but like product recommendations are so big and there's so many on YouTube and Instagram and all of that, but it's like figuring out if that person actually really uses it, really likes it, and then do they repurchase it? And then I go off of like, okay, if they love this, I love all the other things they've recommended, so I'm gonna try that out too. So I wanted to share with you some of my products that I've used up over the last like month or so. I feel like whenever I film these, I already have like a million more next. So I already have some products that I've already gone through, but we're gonna get through this month to start. So the first thing, I have a bunch of skincare. This is in no particular order, so I'm just gonna pull out, but I do have some skincare to start with. So the first thing is this It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. I've used up this whole guy. I've had this in my collection. Can't talk. I've had this in my collection for a while now, and I just like didn't use it. I don't know, I love It Cosmetics, their CC cream, but I've just never been really big onto their skincare. Honestly, never really tried any of their skincare. So I heard a recommendation of this on Instagram and I was like, I'm gonna try it out. I really liked it. It's very thick. It's very hydrating. I could not use this like during the day. Like it would be just way too thick for me. But I am glad I used it during the winter, winter months, I guess. It was really nice. I do think I would repurchase this, but again, not right now because of the fact that like it's too heavy for my skin. I need like a lighter weight going into the summer months, but I could use this as a night cream, but I already am working through another night cream. So I like it. I would repurchase it, but I'm not repurchasing it just yet. And I don't have a backup. This is a product that's disgusting, that I have a backup of. I've already opened it. I've repurchased this thing like probably 10 times. I just feel like this is such a universally loved, I have crap everywhere, product. This thing is like a game changer in skincare routine. It's the TLC Sakari Baby Facial by Drunk Elephant. I think if you've tried it, you love it. If you haven't tried it, you need to try it. It's expensive, but it is so freaking good. It's AHA and BHA. So AHA, think of AHA like the top layer of your skin. So it breaks up the dead skin cells and eats them away, essentially. Well, it doesn't eat them away. Breaks up all the like barriers of the dead skin cells on your face and you wash it away. BHA gets down deep into the pores, so really helps with congestion, really helps with just deep chemical exfoliation. I love this stuff. So good. Like I said, I already have a new one open. I can't recommend this enough, especially with the Sephora VIB sale going on soon. You need to check this out. Yeah, it's good stuff. I probably use it only once every 2 weeks ish. I'm not consistent about using it every week. I don't feel like I need it every week, but I wish I had this back when I had really acne prone skin. I think I would have enjoyed it for like just maintaining acne. You don't want to put that on like exposed acne, but like maintaining and keeping it at bay. I feel like it really clears out the pores with the BHA. And then another Drunk Elephant product, I just really love Drunk Elephant, is the Be Hydra Intense Hydrating Serum. I use this mixed in with my retinol. I already have another one of these. It's just a really good hydrating serum. If I'm using this, most of the time I just use it at night mixed in with retinol, or especially after I use this that I need like some extra plump and hydration. This also has pineapple and ceramidin. Ceramidin is like the ultimate like skin hydration moisturizer amazingness. And then the pineapple is supposed to like make your skin look brighter. I don't know. I love it. If you don't have dry skin, I wouldn't think you'd really notice a huge difference with it. I love the creamy consistency. I feel like a lot of hydrating serums are like really runny and thin, and this one does not leave my face sticky. It just blends in so nicely. But specifically with retinol, I use their Proteini retinol. I feel like it just helps my skin from getting super irritated. It helps from like peeling, anything like that. It's so good. So definitely check this out. I will have it linked down below, as well as all of the products that I mentioned. I was always a drugstore shampoo and conditioner girl, but when these came out, I tried them out. You can get them at Sephora. You can get them a lot of places, but I tried them out at Sephora and they are so good, you guys. If you have blonde hair, chemically treated hair, you need to try these out. I have ones that I like. I have some that are still, I don't have like brand new bottles, but I have some that are full from like when I was traveling, and clearly I'm not traveling anymore. So I have those in my shower right now. I honestly don't know if I want to repurchase them, just because I've used them for 3.5 years and I'm like, should I try something different? But it works so well, especially if you have bleached hair. Like the shampoo, you need the tiniest little amount because it foams up so much and clarifies so much. I'm a double cleanser, so I use the Scalp shampoo and then I go in with this because it's hydrating and it's really good. And the conditioner, I just apply from the ends down. I also do use the number 3, but I still have some of that. The system is really good. It's pricey, but it was the best selling shampoo and conditioner at Sephora. So it's really freaking good. I think they're coming out with a hair mask as well. I feel like when I use this and like it like mended my split ends. I know it seems weird and it can't possibly happen, but I'm telling you, like when your hair is dry, you just see split ends a lot more. So this just helped really moisturize my hair, and the proof is in the pudding. I've repurchased it so many times, 3.5 years. It's good stuff. But like I said, I might try something different. I don't know. The Sephora VIB sale the sale is happening soon, so I'm probably just gonna re-up on it. But anywho, not completely out yet. I have the Nivea In Shower Body Lotion. This stuff is good. We've gone through a couple of bottles of this. Both me and Scott use it. It's basically after you're done washing your body in the shower, you just apply this if you don't want like a thick, lotiony sort of feeling. I hate the feeling of lotion on my skin. I live in Texas. It's hot, it's humid. It just feels like a layer on your skin. Moisturizers just don't soak into my skin that much. I'm not like super dry, so I feel like it just kind of sits on my skin, and I hate it when I'm working out and I'm sweating and it just feels like it's like slimy and gooey. So this stuff I really enjoyed. Yeah, we haven't repurchased this one yet, but we probably will. I enjoy it the most in the summer because like I said, it is lightweight. I put it on before I go to bed, like shower before I go to bed, put it on and then let it soak in overnight. And I feel like it does like a good job of soaking into my skin if I wear it overnight. So I did love this stuff. A lot of different brands make it. This is the one we've repurchased a couple times. Another lotion that I'll use if I'm sunless tanning on like my darks or like my dry spots, or if I just took a bath and need like ultra moisturizer. This is the Aveeno. I love Aveeno body products. I just think they're really nice. They're very just like classic, good product, and they're good for really dry skin, eczema, all that kind of stuff. Scott's got really sensitive skin. Something he does, and it was kind of like really of a good idea. You know how like at the bottom of lotion you can't really, I hope you can't hear the construction happening outside, sorry about that. There's like some at the bottom and you can't really get it out and it's just like kind of a pain. He puts a little bit of water in it and shakes it up so it becomes like thinner, and he calls it his like dry skin body moisturizer. I don't know how to explain it, but it kind of almost acts as a in shower body moisturizer because it's like just soaks into the skin a lot more because it's got water in it. So I don't know if you have a problem with that. Try putting a little bit of water in your like half used up lotion. It thins it out and makes it easier to absorb into your skin. I have, like I was talking about, this is the Dove Scalp Care anti-dandruff shampoo. I only love this scent, but it's not even about the scent. It's just, this is the only one that works for my scalp. So this is the coconut hydration. I can't get it everywhere. I can get it at Target. This stuff is just really good. It doesn't strip my hair, dry my hair out, but I do suffer from like, just like honestly psoriasis on my scalp. And I find a lot of dandruff shampoos are just too harsh, but this one is my favorite. Scott loves it too. He suffers from the same thing. So this one, if you have scalp issues, give this a go. It's good stuff. And we go through one all the time. We already repurchased it, so highly recommend, but only this one. I've tried 3 different kinds, 4 different kinds, and I don't like them as much as I like that one. I have a face cleanser here. So this is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting Cleansing Gel. This is my second time using this cleanser. I love Dr. Dennis Gross's like alpha beta peel pad things. And I loved this the first time I got it because it's sulfate free and soap free, but it feels so foamy and like thick. It feels like you're literally using Dove, or not Dove, like Dawn dish soap. It's so thick and so foamy and luxurious, but it doesn't make you feel dry afterwards. I don't know, this bottle is disgusting. I liked it. I don't think I'll repurchase it, but I have repurchased it, so it's good. For me, cleansers, I like to try different ones. Honestly, probably my favorite cleanser is the Kiehl's Calendum one. I'm not sure, but that's what I'm gonna repurchase next. Right now, I'm using Sunday Riley Ceramic Slip, but like I said, I switch up my cleansers all the time. This one is a good one though. I liked using this with my Clarisonic when I use it. It's very, very thick, so yeah, and a good foaming one. So I wouldn't recommend if you have dry skin, but it doesn't have sulfate or soaps in it, so it's not like it's bad. Something I would recommend for dry skin or just in general for removing your makeup is a cleansing oil. I love this one. I've probably repurchased this like 10 times, honestly, no lie. This used to be popular back in the day, and I always used it in Japan as well because it's from Japan. It's the DHC oil, deep cleansing oil. It's really good. Love that it has a pump. Use like 1 to 2 pumps on my face and then another pump on my eyes, and just rub it on dry skin. Mix a little bit of warm water in it, and it kind of like gets milky and removes all of your makeup seamlessly. This stuff is my diehard. I have this on auto shipment for Amazon. That tells you how much I love it. And sometimes I skip those, but I never skip this. I just got a new bottle in perfect timing. I love this stuff. It lasts me about 3 months, this thing. So I don't wear makeup every day, but I do wear makeup often. So there's that. I have a hair mask in here. This is just like a sample size. This is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I wasn't obsessed with this. I'm not obsessed with hair masks anymore. I feel like I was when I lived in Florida because my hair, I was in the sun and in the ocean all the time and my hair was so dry. I just don't find my hair to be as dry as it used to be, so I don't find a need for hair masks. It was good, but like I said, I just don't think, I think the Olaplex conditioner is so thick and luxurious anyways, you don't necessarily need something like this, but it was all right. I would pass on it. I will definitely not be purchasing the full size. I have gone through a full size of it though. So this is the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5. I'm going to be purchasing another one of this. I love this stuff. It's a really nice lightweight serum that I would wash my face, I would put on an essence, I would put on this, and then I'd put on whatever serum I was gonna wear for the day, morning and night. It's lightweight, it's a little tacky at first, but it soaks in, and I feel like everything layers really nicely over it. Is this the first Ordinary product? I've tried an oil before, but this is the first like serum I've tried from them, and I was honestly really impressed. So I am gonna be ordering a new one of these. It's really good. The Ordinary line is super affordable. So check that out if you're looking for a really good hydrating serum. I went through this Kiehl's Ultra Strength Hand Salve. I love this. I've gone through probably 3 or 4 of these. I typically get them in like sets. I don't think I've ever just like purchased one outright, but I typically get them in like gift sets over the summer. The holidays. I think I have one more left. This is nice. I keep it by my bedside and I just kind of like rub it in my hands at night. I always put lotion on my hands at night. I hate the feeling of lotion on my hands, but if I'm going to sleep, it doesn't bother me. It just helps, you know, keep everything nice and dry, or nice and supple and soft, especially during like times where we have to hand sanitize our lives away. So this stuff is really good. If you're looking for a good hand cream, this is my go-to nighttime hand cream. I've gone through, I can't even tell you how many Benefit Professional primers. I think this is just like, I feel like no one ever uses this anymore. It's an OG, it's been around forever. I love it. It's a great like pore smoothing. It's got a little bit of a tint to it. You can wear it with makeup, without makeup. It's good. I don't have huge pores, but I like the smoothing effect that it gives me. And I do honestly feel like my makeup just wears better with this on underneath. So I get the large one because I go through it so quick. I've already purchased another one. This one I will just never part with. I've tried so many different primers and this one is still my OG fave. So this is just the packaging. These are the things that I buy instead of beauty blenders now. This is the Beekly, I guess. These are the Love Beauty Love Beekly Focus on Beauty tools. They're sponges. It comes with 5 pieces in here. You can get them on Amazon and they're like $6. I have a yellow one that I'm using up now, but I need to repurchase a new pack. These are so good, you guys. They are literally the same feeling as the beauty blender. And so much cheaper, it's nuts. Like $1 a piece versus $20 a piece. So highly recommend these. Okay, to finish up this video, I have a mascara primer. This is the Dior Show Volumizer 3D. I love this primer. It's filthy because it's just dirty. I love it. If anything, this is my favorite primer. I've actually stopped using primers right now just because I feel like my lashes are really good because of the Grande Lash serum I'm using. But when I was using primer, this is my favorite. I don't like the long comb one, I only like this one. I think because of the rubberized bristles, it really kind of divides and separates and provides a lot of length. It's so good. So if you're looking for a good lash primer, definitely pick this one out, or pick this one up. I just didn't like the long comb because it was just too thick and chunky and it gave me like clumpy lashes, where this gave me really defined, long, lengthened lashes. And I use less mascara. That's one thing I will say. It's easier to get your mascara off with a primer because you have like that barrier. Also is really nourishing for the lashes, and then use less mascara because you have this to build on top of, but this is like $30. And this, which is my favorite mascara, is only like $6. So this is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. I just purchased a new one because I did a whole drugstore mascara video. I will leave that listed down below for you guys. This is my favorite mascara of all time. It's the rubberized bristles. Oh, it's done. So rubberized bristles, if you want to see more about it, like I said, I have a whole entire video about it. I repurchased this over and over again. When I actually lived in Japan, my dad would send me these. I remember, and I also purchased like 7 before I even went because I couldn't find it there. And Amazon really wasn't a thing back then. It started to be a thing towards the end, but it wasn't a thing at the beginning. And they just have all different drugstore mascaras. So this one was like my holy grail. So I've definitely repurchased this already. If you haven't tried it out, put this in your basket. You need this. You need to try this mascara out. So that is all of my trash. Those are all of my empties. I hope you guys find these videos helpful, fun, whatever. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. It lets me know that you like the content. Yeah, and I will see you all in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.